Okay, hai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semua sihat ke? I really hope that you all doing great. Please drop a comment whether you can hear my audio clearly and my video clearly be seen. Okay, please remind your friends to get into the class because we are going to start soon. Okay. Alright, we have Umi Umaira, we have Halimatun Eliana, okay, who else? Alia. Okay, can you call your friends and remind them the class will be started very soon. Okay? Okay, hi. Hi, we have Shu and Nina. Nina, can you listen to me clearly? Is my audio clear?
Yes, madam.
Alhamdulillah, and I can listen to you too. Okay, thank you so much for participating. Okay, I really hope that you have your notes together with you so that you can write down the notes that will be shared to you today. Okay, so Adrenina dengan Shu, today what we are going to learn actually.
Differential for ln.
Okay, very good. Yes, we are going to find the derivative for logarithm function or ln. Okay, what's the difference between log dengan ln ni, Adelina?
Ln.
What's the similarity, the difference between log and ln? Yeah.
Ln is exponent.
Ln is exponent. Okay. So if log base log kan kita ada base log base 10, base 7, base 5 So ln is basically log base e. Okay. Okay, but since it is still ln is a log base e, so the properties of ln we will use the same as or the properties that we use for log function. Okay, boleh? Okay, so siapa lagi kita ada dekat sini? Kita ada Najihah, Anissa. Okay, lagi yang lain. I didn't see any boys yet. Okay, boleh tak panggil mereka masuk? Okay, remind them at the Telegram group. Okay. Okay, without further ado, I am going to share my screen now. Okay, we are going to study. Okay, share screen, share, application window, and my OneNote. Okay. Alright. Okay, semua boleh tengok screen cikgu kat situ. Okay. So, okay, boleh tengok screen ke Adelina? Clear tak screen?
Boleh, madam, clear.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, so I am maximizing my screen now. Okay, so, okay, if you see here at your notes, okay, y is, if given to you y is equals to ln x, so when you differentiate ln x, you will get 1 over x. Okay, why is that so? Okay, you can see here the proving. You can see the proving here. Okay, this is fx and ln x. What you do if you have ln at both sides? Okay, you put exponent both side. Okay, bila you put exponent both side, E ln x is equals to x. Ini another properties pula in order for you to understand why is it so. So mungkin you terimalah dengan hati terbuka, e to the power of fx is equivalent to x, okay? And then when you differentiate both side the exponent and you differentiate the both side x, you get x is 1, okay? E f x is basically e f x. Remember we learned previously, and multiplying the differentiation of the function, remember? Therefore, the differentiation of the function is equivalent to 1 over exponent to the power of fx, and it will give you 1 over x. Okay, so you jangan risau benda ni, it's okay as long as you remember that the differentiation of, okay, the differentiation of ln x will give you 1 over x. Okay, but the differentiation of ln a function, for example, ln x square. Okay, a function. Itu yang kita nak tengok. Kalaulah dia a function, ini yang kita nak tengok ni. But if given to you instead of y equals to ln x, but now given to you ln a function, the function ni can be x square plus 1, mungkin set x square. So apa yang dia kata adalah 1 over fx multiplying with f prime x. So you still have to differentiate the function. Okay, 1 over fx multiply the differentiation of f prime x. Okay, boleh ke Adinina? So far so good dengan Shu? Ini kena ingat ni. Boleh Alright. Okay, so this is the proving. Proving. I am not going to discuss further. As long as you all can understand how to use the formula, I think it's enough for you. Okay, so for example, if given to you, now a function is given to you, linear function. Okay, therefore you have in order for you to find the derivative of y for a linear function with ln, okay, so apa yang you buat adalah 1 over ax plus b multiply with a. So for example, given to you y equals to ln 3x plus 2. So for example, your a is 3, your b is 2. So your dy over dx will be 1 over 3x plus 2. Where you following these properties, and then it says that you have to multiply with the differentiation of the function. So the differentiation of the function 3x plus 2 apa Nina?
3, madam.
Yes, very good. So you are multiplying with 3 and then you just present your answer in a correct form. Okay? Boleh Shu? So far so good? How about my classes yang lain, students yang lain? Okay ke tidak? Let me check. Okay, we have Syamin, D2P12, Adli, Alhamdulillah. Koma, Wani, Grace. Okay, ketua practicum please identify mana anak buah yang tak masuk because after this, those yang tak masuk, I have 3 questions for you and you have to upload the answer at the Telegram group. Okay, everyone witnessing who is participating, who is not. Jangan tipu. It's for your own benefit. At the end of the day, you are going to sit for the UPS, which is very soon. You are going to sit for PSPM. Okay. And yang paling penting, exam tu semua tak penting. Yang paling penting adalah me. I am going to prepare you to be a graduate students yang akan belajar di universiti cikgu tak nak you all semua keciciran regardless whatever problem you have internet problem whatsoever, make sure you share with your friends of course lah by taking precaution social distancing apa semua, jangan sentuh-sentuh whatsoever. Okay, we have Fatimah, Adila, Farzana, Tun, Alia Isa okay, Najiha okay. Alright, if okay, we are going to look at the tougher question. Okay. Okay, example 3. Differentiate each of the following to x. Okay, so now given to you ln ex, okay? So the same thing we're going to do, dy over dx equals to 1 over, what is our function? Ex. And then multiplying with the differentiation of the function. Okay, when I say the differentiation of the function ini negative x lah. Iaitu apa? The differentiation of the function of negative x ni apa? Is negative 1. Betul tak? So negative, positive. So your answer will be 1 over x. Okay tak? Memang jawapan dia sama, but then you have to present your solution, your markah ini K1 kerja, mungkin you potong dapat K lagi and then your final answer J, that's why memang tak perlu, you have to memorize lah, the properties adalah 1 over fx multiply with the differentiation of the function, okay, as this. I am going to highlight it again. Ini dia. Okay, 1 over fx multiply with the differentiation of the function. Okay, ni boleh tulis lah dalam note you. This is the differentiation of the function. And note here, this is 1 over, 1 over u ke, 1 over fx ke, tak kisah. Yang penting dia at the denominator. Okay, let's look at the next question, ln 3x. Okay, ln 3x, so h prime x, okay, ataupun dh dx. Dh over dx is equals to 1 over 3x multiply with 3, because the differentiation of 3x will give us 3. Okay, 3 cancel out, therefore your answer will be 1 over x. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, next. Okay, boleh cikgu dapatkan Adenina dulu sebelum Shu. Adenina, what's the answer?
Ya, madam, saya buat.
Tak apa, madam tuliskan, you sebut je. dg over apa? dx equals to apa sayang?
1 over
Dia mesti 1? Yes, 1 over siapa?
x square plus 3x minus 1.
Yes, exactly. You just copy down, You just copy down. And then?
Multiply with 2x plus 3.
Okay, so madam tak payah tulis semula pun you dah bagi tahu jawapan kan straight away. So this is not necessary lah. It's an optional. Yang purple ini adalah optional. Okay. So you boleh terus buat 1 over x square plus 3x minus 1. Okay, the differentiation of the function adalah 2x plus 3. Okay, kemudian apa sayang? Just sekalikan. Yes, that's it. Okay? Boleh Adelina dan kawan-kawan lain? Adelina,
Boleh.
tolong read. Okay, tolong read the comment. Adelina boleh tengok komen tak sebenarnya?
Dekat sini. Dekat sini tak boleh, madam. Dekat stream ni.
Tak boleh. Okay, tak apa. Alright. So, mari kita tengok the next question. Okay, sekarang Shu pula. Shu. What we are going to do? Okay, Shu, what's your suggestion? First, madam selalu suruh you all apa kalau nampak cert ni?
Buang cert tu.
Jadikan satu. Exactly. Kita akan tendang dia ke belakang. Dia adalah 1 over 2. Okay. So sekali log properties. Okay, sekejap. Okay, log properties. Okay, what you do if you have such case, xb. Macam mana? Okay, log. Yes, log. Okay, sekejap I tambah log dekat dah hadapan. Log x to the power of b equals to apa sayang? Shu. Equal to apa ni Shu? Log properties ini kalau we have power b, madam nak bawa ke depan, so jadi b log
x.
Yes. So ini yang kita akan guna sekejap lagi. Right. Okay, so we continue. Tengok I haven't differentiate I just modify dulu. Kita settle cantik-cantik dulu until we are ready to differentiate. Okay, so sekarang 1/2 ni kita kena bawa ke depan. So dia jadi 1/2 ln x plus 1. Okay, madam nak tanya, boleh ke you all pecahkan x plus 1 ni jadi ln x tambah ln 1? Is there any properties yang mengatakan ln A plus B equals ln A plus ln B? Ada tak?
Tak boleh buat.
Itu dosa besar Ini adalah dosa besar jika buat huge mistake. Don't do this. Okay, yang kawan-kawan yang tengok YouTube live tu, please restate my sentence so that everyone will be aware and I will display your comments. So nanti anyone who watch the YouTube channel, the YouTube video, dia nampak tu. Terpapar dekat screen. Never ever expand ln. Dia adalah dalam rumah dia. Okay, so now we continue. So apa yang kita boleh buat sekarang? Okay, barulah kita buat dy dx. Okay? Now only we are ready to do dy dx. Okay, 1/2 ni constant sayang. Boleh tak kita letak kat depan? Boleh? So now we are differentiating ln x plus 1. Dapat apa ni? Differentiate ln x plus 1, Shu?
1/x tambah 1.
Exactly. 1/x plus 1. Jangan lupa bracket. Okay. Is there any the differentiation of the function that I have to differentiate? The differentiation of the function ini dapat apa?
Jadi 1.
Yes, jadi 1. So we do nothing about it. But then if your function is for example x square, you have to multiply with 2x lah. Okay. So like in this case, your answer will be 1/2 x plus 1. That's it. Easy or not? Okay, can I look at the comment? Okay ke tak? Okay, mari madam tengok dekat komen. Okay, Sufia. Oh, I tak. Afiq Nabil. Okay. Apa yang tak boleh kau mari? Oh, kau tak boleh expand. Okay, yes, you're right. Tak ada orang pun restate my sentence just now. You cannot expand. Okay, lagi ada apa lagi? Lagi, is there any other comment? Okay, if no, I will continue. Okay, Sharina okay, semua okay sangat. Alhamdulillah, easy. Okay, please anything kalau tak faham, you drop the comment and I will answer your question. Don't worry, nama pun belajar. Lagi I risau kalau you faham semua and then you tak boleh buat when I give you the question at the Google Classroom later on. Okay, easy madam. Alhamdulillah. Okay, tak ada minus 1 madam. Ln x plus 1 to the power. Kenapa nak minus 1 sayang? Tak ada minus 1. Oh, you nak minus 1 macam no. Okay, this is very good question. Umairah Umi tanya ln x plus 1 1/2 tu tak ada minus 1 Okay, listen carefully. Now I understand why some student having problem with that. Okay, tengok this is not chain rule. Kita tak guna ini. Properties ini, we don't use these properties as a chain rule properties. Okay, I highlight. Okay, this is not chain rule properties. This, from this to this, is not chain rule. Dia bukan chain rule. Dia adalah properties of log sayang. Properties of log. Okay, I tunjuk ln x plus 3 to the power of 2 tak sama dengan cara you differentiate x plus 3 square. It's not the same. Please restate my sentence. If you have ln, it no longer the same. Our case is different. Seolah-olah macam memang different case lah. Macam ini dia di hadapan bukan sebab the properties of chain rule tetapi the properties of log properties. Ni log properties. That's why madam tulis log properties kat sini. Supaya you all nampak. Okay, now I am highlighting this again. Sayang, this is log properties, not chain rule. But then, different case dengan yang ini. Okay, this is polynomial. That's why at the earlier learning, what you learn is to identify what type of function that you get. This is polynomial. This is ln function. The previous day that we learned is exponential function. Are all the same? No. It's totally no. Kalau exponential, macam mana you differentiate exponential? You multiply. But then for ln, you differentiate the exponential, you do 1 over fx. Multiply with the differentiation of fx. So this is, ini adalah yes. Ini adalah chain rule. Okay, so I tulis ini adalah log properties. This is using log properties. Meanwhile, this is using chain rule. Barulah you ada -1 tu. Okay? Madam tengok yang lain. Orang lain faham tak? Okay, adakah madam menjawab soalan Umaira? Umi? Yes, Alhamdulillah. Okay, it's okay. It's good that you know what you don't understand. Faham tak, Adina? Okay, so far so good?
So far so good.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, I'll continue, okay? Okay, Melissa, faham. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so siapa nak screenshot boleh screenshot. Okay, or maybe you rewatch again at the YouTube at night time or whenever you're free. Okay, tolong screenshot whoever yang free. Okay, alright, I'll continue. Okay, before I continue, okay, madam tengok dulu. Okay, sebelah sini. F. Oh, banyak lagi ni. Banyak lagi soalan kita. Okay, sekejap. Alright, let's do E. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, once again, we are going to solve EHX. Not E, HX E 3x plus 5. Okay, macam mana kita nak buat ni? Okay. Okay? Okay, first step. The same thing, log properties. Log b to the power of m equals to m log b. This is not chain rule. This is log properties. So what we're gonna do is, it's still hx. 3x. Okay. 3x plus 5. Okay, to the front and then ln E. Okay, what is ln E again? Earlier I did ask Adelina what is ln E, and then she said that ln E is log E base E. Ini adalah ln E. Okay. So previously during high school you ada belajar log A base A is equals to 1. Okay, so meaning that whenever it has the same values, it equals to 1. So same goes to EE ini. EE log E base E is equivalent to 1. That's why after this, from now on, whenever you see ln E, it's equals to 1. Tolong restate dekat comment ln E equals to 1. Because ln E is log base E. Okay. Alright, so now, it's equals to 1. Now we are ready to differentiate. Okay, so now we are differentiating hx. So dh over dx equals to, so kita differentiate ini saja sayang, 3x plus 5. So we get 3. Okay. Alright, I have a call just now. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, I proceed. Boleh semua? Okay, so now F pula. Okay, Adina, apa kita nak buat sekarang? kawan-kawan yang lain. Ini nak guna rule apa? What kind of rule that we are using now? Ada Nina?
Kau nak aku cakap 1/X.
Okay, sekarang things dah berbeza. Dah tak sama dah. Kalau dulu pergi kelas, sekarang kena belajar online. Kalau tadi ln X sahaja, dia ada satu function sahaja. Sekarang dia ada X dengan ln X. So meaning that we have to use apa? When we have two function.
Chain rule.
No, chain rule adalah function yang polynomial and then ada power and then kita letak dekat depan. Itu chain rule, chain rule. Ada satu lagi nama dia, apa dia? Start daripada P. Yes, very good. Apa dia?
Product.
Product rule. Okay, dah mix up dah semua. Semua dah jadi char kway teow dah. Okay, we have chain rule, we have product rule where you have two function and then you have to differentiate using formula uv prime plus vu prime, that is product rule. And then the last one you have quotient rule where you have two different function, top and bottom. Okay, alright. Okay, let's do this. Y equals to x ln x. Okay, so this is our u is x and then our v is ln x. Okay, maybe I use different color. V is ln x. Okay, now differentiate v. Sayang, differentiate ln x, we get 1 over x.
1 over x.
Good. Yes, so u prime equals to 1. Okay, u prime equals to 1. Okay, so dy over dx. Okay, so uv prime plus vu prime. So what is your u? U is x. What is your v prime? V prime is 1 over x plus with v. What is your v? V is ln x. What is your u prime? U prime is 1. Nak tulis boleh, tak nak tulis pun tak mengapa because it's 1. So x cancel out. So your answer will be 1 plus ln x. Ta-da! Okay. So why this is we call it as a product rule once again sayang? Kenapa? Kenapa? Adina dan Shu? Why we call
Because
this as
there is
product
two
rule?
function.
Yes, because it is two function. It consists of two function. Kenapa? Kenapa kita panggil dia function? Sebab satu tu ada sebutan X, satu lagi pun ada sebutan X. Adakah ini kita panggil two function sayang? Is this we call two function? Two ln X?
No.
No, because 2 is a?
Yes, 2 is a constant.
Exactly, because 2 is a constant. So kalaulah buat yang ini, kalau differentiate yang ini, tak ada masalah. 2 tu silap tak, 2 tu bawa ke depan, tak ada kena-mengena pun. The things that we differentiate is ln X. So differentiate ln X, we give you 1 over X. Therefore, this will give you 2 over X. Nampak tak dua perbezaan yang ketara dekat sini? Okay? So it's very crucial for you to identify what kind of function that you have. If just now you have to differentiate the function between function apa tadi? Okay, bila masih nak guna chain rule kan? It's either polynomial, okay? But then when you have ln, you are using log properties. And now we have x ln x, so meaning that we have two function. It's not the same as if given to you a constant at the front. That's why orang kata differentiate ln ni susah. Sebenarnya bukan. Differentiate log ni susah sebab the first one dia tak faham what kind of function given at in the question. And then the second one, lack of understanding in log properties. Dia tak mahir dengan log properties. So if you have that to lateness, make sure that you revise again, okay? Alright, so now, okay, kawan-kawan di YouTube, okay, what method are we using now when given to you ln x over e to the power of x?
Question rule.
Yes, sekarang dah pandai dah quotient rule. Okay, boleh madam nak tengok respon D3P6 boys. D3P6 boys. Adina, kita ada siapa? D3P6 boys? Kita ada Wan Haikal, kita ada Firaz, Komar, lagi?
Adam and Akid.
Adam dengan Akid, 5. Okay, comment now, D3P6. Say hi to me. That you exist. Bukan limit je does not exist. My student also kadang does not exist. Okay, so we continue. Okay, yes, as mentioned from your friends just now we are going to use the quotient rule, okay? But your quotient rule this time consists of log and exponent function instead of polynomial sahaja. Okay, so things getting tougher, but it's okay, you just do the right thing, okay? So your u is ln x, differentiate you get 1 over x, right? Okay, now, v, what is your v? Ex, this is your u, this is your v, Jangan cakap v ini adalah 1 over ex, V ini adalah apa yang di bawah, totally. Dia bukan look at as a whole. Ada tu student dah agaknya dah campur-campur semua, all mixed up kan. Dia punya v 1 over ex. Tak boleh macam tu salah Your v adalah at the denominator tu. What do you have at the denominator? Okay, now v prime. Okay, v prime apa sayang?
E power of x.
Yes, so it's the same, right? Okay. Okay, sekejap madam nak cabut. Alamak. I nak kena cabut I punya ni. Okay, tak apalah. Allahu Akbar. Hilang terus. Okay, v prime equals to e to the power of x. The same thing. Differentiate ex dapat ex. Tak ada masalah. Okay, now. Okay, formula v u prime minus u v prime over v square. Betul tak? Shu.
Yes.
Okay. So what is our v? Ex. What is our u prime? 1 over x. Minus what is our u? U is ln x. And then what is your v prime? V prime ex. Tengok sini I tak letak ex dekat belakang. Kita letak ex kat depan. Dia baru cantik. Dia antara eksponen dengan ln di belakang. Ln. Okay, tips yang kedua. Ln versus eksponen. Letak eksponen to the front. Eksponen to the front. Macam you all lah beratur kan. Yang pendek di depan, yang tinggi di belakang kan. So ln letak kat belakang. Sebab apa tahu? Sebab ln ni dia ada degree dia ada function dia kat belakang tu. So kalau you tak bawa dia ke depan, I takut you termix up, you ingat ln ex pula. Sedangkan dia adalah dua function berbeza, satu e to the power of x, satu lagi ln x. Okay, tulis cantik sikit, ex ln x. Okay, so now over with our v prime if ex square. So ex square pun sama. Ex square adalah apa sebenarnya? Ex square adalah e to x. Okay, boleh semua? Okay, so now, okay, apa kita nak buat suggestion? Shu. Apa madam kena buat sekarang?
Factor.
Factor, exactly. Factor, you dah pandai. Kenapa? Kenapa factor?
E power x sama.
Yes, because you see that there is a common function kan. Okay, itulah memang yang sepatutnya you buat ex 1 over x minus ln x over e to x. Seterusnya?
Boleh potong.
Exactly. Baguslah. I'm so happy. I'm so glad that my student dapat memberikan respon yang betul. Tapi tak apa. Kalau salah pun I tak marah. It's a learning process. Okay. So kalau potong ni, EX potong dengan E2X, dia jadi apa sayang?
EX.
Kan? EX minus 2X kan? So dia adalah sebenarnya E negative X kan? So I juga boleh tulis E negative X ini seperti ini. Betul? Setuju? Setuju everyone? So this is basically over EX. Kan? Okay. So now, apa lagi kita boleh buat? Kita samakan penyebut. So 1 minus x ln x over x. Betul? And multiply with e to the power of x. E to the power of x ni adalah sebenarnya apa? 1 over ex. Betul tak? When you divide with values, you nak tukar dia jadi darab, you kena letak dia 1 per dia. Betul? Ataupun you boleh ingat, macam madam ingat ni golongan bawahan dengan bawahan. Mereka bertemu jua di pengakhiran. So bawah dengan bawah, nampak tu bertemu di pengakhirannya dua-dua golongan bawahan. Okay, so dia akan jadi 1 over x ln x over x ex. So that's why siapa yang mahir tu dia boleh skip this process. This step ni terus ke sana pun boleh. Tak ada masalah as long as you do it correctly lah. Okay, so far so good. Faham ke tidak? Kalau faham, screenshot and share dalam group. Okay, I think this is, if you can understand this, I'm pretty sure that you can solve the rest, most of the question. Mari madam tengok. Okay, factor ln versus E. Yes, thank you Zarid. Ln versus exponent, letak E at the front. Very good. Pandailah akak-akak di 3PC. Oh, ada ejaan baru Fatimah Okay, factor lagi. Put exponent in the front. Okay, E1, 1. Apa yang 1, 1? Dipanggil 1, 1. Tak muncul-muncul Mana 1-nya? Okay, yes. Finally, I nampak Afin Nabil. Afin Nabil ni di 2P13. Okay, lagi. Azizah Jasman. Faham. Bagus. Okay, can madam proceed? Can I proceed?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Okay, boleh proceed. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so ini yang tadi Okay, ini yang tadi. I really hope that you all faham lah Okay, so ini yang tadi. Okay. G. Okay, now you tengok you all tengok soalan dah makin mencabar. Ada berapa banyak bracket we have double bracket here. Bracket consists of another bracket. Okay, so but before you be able to do this, I am going to discuss this dulu. Satu question dulu extra. Okay. Alright, ini extra question, tak ada dalam notes you. So untuk memastikan sama ada student ini join my live YouTube, dia mesti ada add-on question kat sini. Dia bukan ada nota yang bagi je. This is not included in your notes. So you write down now. You jot down now. Okay. Because once I finish this, I am going to leave you and you are going to send me the answer. I akan panggil orang yang tak join the live YouTube. Okay. So it's fair to everybody. Those who joining dapat ilmu, yang tak join they still have to do a little bit of homework. at the end of the day semua orang dapat ilmu dan objektif learning tercapai. Okay, what's your suggestion sekarang? Siapa? Syuhada? Syuhada ke Nina ke tak kisahlah What's your suggestion now?
Question rule.
Okay, Madam bukan nak bagi soalan ni sebenarnya. Ada soalan lain. Okay, tapi tak apa. Yes, kena buat question rule. Quotient, ini quotient. Kalau you buat quotient, you pengsan. You pengsan nanti No. Apa yang you buat? First ni you nampak apa? Ln. Dia tak sama. Dia tak sama. Sebagaimana you all solve 3x tambah 2 kuasa 2 tadi. Tak sama dengan cara you solve 3x plus 2 square. Ini you guna chain rule. Ini you guna properties of log. So now I am looking for properties of log. Okay, what kind of properties of log that we are going to use? Apa log properties? Exactly. So log m n equal to log m plus log n. Meanwhile, log m over n equals to log apa sayang? Minus log n. So I nak guna mana satu ni? Nombor 1 ke nombor 2? Cuba komen dekat bawah. Nombor 1 ke nombor 2 ke? Atau kedua-duanya? Mari kita tengok komen. 1 or 2 or both? Apa dia? Nina dengan Shu?
Nombor 2.
Nombor 2. Dua lagi. Lagi 2. 2 only. Ada yang jawab both? Ada yang jawab number 1? Okay, semua pun cakap 2. Okay. Yes, number 2. And actually ada juga number 1 sebenarnya. Kenapa number 1 kena? Kenapa
Sebab
number 1 kena? Because at the top you have
Yes.
You have how many functions? Yes, you have 2 function. So yang jawab 2 ni semua out of 100 I bagi 50 marks saja. Maksudnya kurang tepat. It's actually you have to do both. It's a combination. It's a combination of. Okay, it's a combination of 2 function because this one you have fx. Now you have gx and another one you have whatever you want to call it lah. Kalau nama Adinina nak bagi nx pun boleh juga, tak ada masalah. Kalau nama Grace nak letak gx pun boleh, tak ada masalah. But I want you to identify that actually you have 3 different functions sebenarnya. Because fx is not constant. It is not constant. So let's do this. Okay, so menggunakan log property log x as ln x square plus 1 square. Agree? Agree ke tak you all? Okay, and then minus with ln 2x cube minus 1 set. Which set ini is actually 1 over 2. Okay, and then we continue. Okay, masih menggunakan log properties lagi. Ini dekat depan ni apa? Y equals to kan? For example, kalau ini Y equals to, ini pun Y lah. Ini pun Y. Masih lagi Y. So, Y equals to ln X plus 2 ln. Okay, again, another properties. Minus 1 over 2 to the front. Okay, 1 over 2 ln 2x cube minus 1. So, another properties. Properties apa? Properties log Okay, I guna warna pink
Bring
better.
power to the front.
Yes, you bring power to the front. So differentiation for log function is not basically quotient and product rule semata-mata, tidak. It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier sebab you are using log properties. Log m to power of b is equals to b log m. So this is what we are doing here. 2 dengan 1 over 2 ni menggunakan yang ketiga, log properties yang ketiga. Okay, ini log properties yang pertama dan kedua. Understand or not? Okay, madam dah siapkan tulisan nombor dah kat situ. Okay, now we continue. Now only we ready to differentiate. So dy over dx sayang. Differentiate ln x, 1 over x plus 2, 1 over x square plus 1, and then don't forget the differentiation of the function. Okay, you nak tulis ini dulu pun boleh ataupun you nak terus differentiate pun boleh. Sayang, pilih yang mana Adelina dengan Shu? Nak terus differentiate ke nak tulis dulu?
Terus differentiate.
Nak terus differentiate sebab tak nak banyak-banyak step. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Cuma jangan buat salah saja. 2x minus with 1 over 2. The differentiation, bukan the differentiation, copy first 1 over fx and then the differentiation of the function is, apa sayang?
6x square.
Very good, 6x square. Okay, now we are combining everything. 1 over x plus 2 times 2, 4x over x square plus 1 minus apa ni? 2 dengan 6 boleh cancel? Yes. 3x square over 2x cube minus 1. So this is our final answer. Okay, is everyone happy with this? Boleh semua? Sangat-sangat faham tak? Okay, how are you guys doing now? So far so good or pengsan dah? Okay, we have Nakib, Beya, Zulaika, lagi orang lain? Semua okay ke? Okay, one last question. One last question boleh? Okay, Nakib okay. Okay, one last one. One last one. Okay, one last one. Ini madam ad hoc je. Okay, Fatimah okay, Sharifah Syairah boleh, Aisyah okay. Tun sihat je. Ya, memang sihat. Makin membulat you all ni, I sure. Once PST dah masuk kelas semula kan, and we will get back to normal class anytime soon ya. Memang semua mesti membulat ni. Sebabnya makan tidur je, tak jogging. I tak nampak pun you all jogging. Madam nampak a few je. Ada terserempak 2-3 orang. Yang lain tidur je.
Saya ikut SOP, madam.
Kenapa SOP kata tak boleh jogging ke? Boleh kan? Dia part tu, malas tu dia ikut SOP lah. Okay, please find your own time to exercise as well. Sebab badan yang cergas dapat melahirkan otak yang cerdas. Itulah Grace jogging atas katil bertuah. Okay, we continue. Itulah Luqman malas madam nampak Mirza jogging. Okay, next. One last question sayang. This time memang last punya. Okay, ni I ad hoc je bagi. I terus tulis sekarang. Okay. You suggest dekat I, what should I do? The first step. Y equals to, okay, soalan. So bila soalan I pakai pen hitam. Where is my hitam? Okay. So Y equals to ln x square plus 3x over 4x minus 5. Okay, ada Nina dan Shu dan kawan-kawan lain. I nak tengok what is the first step. First step, what are we going to do?
1/2 ln T
Pandai. That's why best kan join Conti kan? Best tak?
Yes.
True. Dengan best kan? Next time make sure kalau I ajak tu join je. Join je. Sebab you akan lebih faham. You akan lebih faham. Dan because you participating actively. So yes, macam Shu cakap tadi, dia kata set tu buat 1/2. Very right. And then next. Next, madam nak kena buat apa ni? Adakah buat DYDX dulu? No, not yet. Apa lagi kita kena buat sayang? Yes, log properties. Log property nombor berapa? 1, 2, 3.
2.
Dah tak ingat dah tu yang mana satu. 1 tadi tambah. Lepas tu yang nombor 2 tolak.
Minus
Yang
bahagi
ketiga,
akan jadi
yang
tolak.
ketiga. Yes, yang 1. Ni 1/2 bawa depan dulu sayang. Bawa depan. Sebab apa? We don't want to deal with set. So buat apa? Using log properties, log m to the power of b is equals to b. Equals to apa? B log m. Understand or not? Understand tak kesayangan-kesayangan semua? Boleh ke tidak? Boleh Okay, so now I continue. Sekarang apa dia yang kena buat? Y equals to 1/2. Barulah guna your punya favourite tu. Apa tu? Jangan lupa big bracket. Big bracket ln x square plus 3x. Nampak tak ni? I pakai pen unicorn ni. Special untuk soalan ni. Terang sikit mata you all. Ke makin kabur? So minus with ln 4x minus 5. Okay, boleh semua? Nampak ke tak ada Nina dengan Shu?
Nampak.
Okay. Tapi I rasa macam kurang clear lah compare dengan kalau I pakai pen satu warna, betul? Okay, cuba. Okay, so now we are ready to differentiate sayang. dy over dx, apa dia? Differentiate x square plus 3x. 1 over x square plus 3x. Kemudian the differentiation of the function
plus 3.
Nasib lah you all dapat cikgu perempuan kan. Dia memang pink purple je lah kerjanya. Okay, 2x plus 3. Exactly. And then minus with ln 1 over 4x minus 5. Multiply with apa? Multiply with apa sayang?
4.
Okay, very good. So now,
bayar.
Yes, okay, satukan dia semua over x square plus 3x minus, ni ada ln lagi Madam tinggal ln ln.
Baru nak cakap itu.
Tak ada ln dah sepatutnya sebab differentiate kan tak ada ln kan. Okay, so 4 over 4x minus 5. Okay. Yes, this is what we supposed to do. Okay, dah lah. Boleh lah ni. Siap. This is our final answer. Yes. Okay, kenapa madam tak expand? Sebab ini kalau expand dah jadi 4x cube plus, so tak payah no need. This one is acceptable. Okay. Unless you nampak this is x plus 1, this is x plus 2. Obviously kalau you tak expand nanti ni, ini dengan ini boleh simplify lagi sebab dia dapat 5x, yang tu dapat 3x square, whatever you tengok lah tapi sebenarnya yang nak diuji dalam ni adalah the log properties and how you differentiate correctly the ln function. Okay, so until this one pun dah mencukupi, memadai. Okay, understand or not? Okay, I leave it to you these 3 question. Madam nak mana-mana students yang tidak join, especially boys. Boys memang I akan check sebab boys sikit students dia, 6 orang macam tu je satu kelas. So please buat question ini. Okay, mari kita tentukan terus. Kalau expand salah ke? Tak salah Haikal. Haikal tak salah. As long as jangan expand salah lah. Understand understood. Okay. Tak salah. Tak salah Tak salah pun kalau you kalau you expand. Okay. So now, okay. So I'll call your name dekat Telegram group. Siapa yang kena selesaikan HI dengan JK ni ada ni. This one and this one. Okay. So I think that's it for today. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much kepada kita punya special guest. Madam besarkan stop sharing. Okay, ambil gambar. Nanti send dalam group, ambil gambar. Okay, senyum dulu. Ambil gambar seorang. 1, 2, 3. Sebab last time dengan Haikal tak sempat nak ambil gambar yang proper. Semuanya gerak-gerak. Okay.
You, madam.
Okay, done. Okay, all good. Okay, thank you so much to all the students, all the participants yang joining today. Make sure you give it a revision if needed. Okay. Okay, Eliana. Okay, Grace. Okay, Tun. Okay, Auni. Okay, Aziza. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Share your feedback. If this is good, we will continue to do live on YouTube, or if you want Google Meet, or if you want a special what we call that? Tutorial. You may always PM me directly. So far, madam reply semua message. If I forgot to reply, maybe I just doing something else at that time. Make sure you keep notify me. Okay. Amboi Beya. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Okay, bye.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, next time I really hope you all join lagi sekali. Tak ada masalah. We can have 10 participants at one konti. Tak ada masalah. The more the merrier. Barulah shock. Okay, alright. Bye. Assalamualaikum.